finding the heartbeat between 8 and 12 weeks. You're going to look below your pelvic line, so where the bone is, just below, around here. Oil or gel. Put the Doppler on before you turn it on. Right central. You can hear that like a train. That's around 152 beats per minute with an average of 140 to 180 from 8 to 12 weeks. If you listen here, that's just swooshing and that's my heartbeat. That again is the baby's heartbeat. And you'll be able to lose it quite easily.